We are here present for the book reading event of our Saki Library. So I would first like to thank the Saki Library management to organize this event. So let me start. So the book which I am going to talk about is called in college. We always are enchanted or attracted towards technical things, and so I thought, why not maybe delve into something non-technical. So the Indian Army has soldiers, and amongst those soldiers there are a few soldiers who participate in very covert operations, and those soldiers are called as SF soldiers. So right now we are sitting here, we are breathing here, we are reading, all thanks to those soldiers that sacrifices, courtesy to them. So there is one such soldier, Captain Tushar Mahajan of the Indian Army, 9 Para SF. So he was a civilian like us, a very normal civilian. His parents were, his father was teacher and his mother was homemaker. So Captain Tushar Mahajan was always active in his school. Okay, I hope everybody is engrossed in this. And ma'am, please, thank you. So his parents always wanted his son to be an engineer. Typical parents of India. But he had other things planned in his mind. He wanted to join the Indian Army. So without informing his parents, he gave the National Defence Academy examinations. He cleared the written exam. He went for his interview. He got cleared his SSB interview, and after that, he told his parents. His parents were happy about it. कि मेरा बेटा फौज में ऑफिसर बनेगा. So he joined the NDA, then he joined the IMA, and after that, his parents thought that my son will join the support arms of the Indian Army like signal, technical, but he opted for the special forces. Now, to give you a reference, you must have seen the movies Uri the Surgical Strike. So those soldiers are called as special soldiers. So Captain Tushar, I don't know if you remember or not, in early months of 2016, terrorists had attacked the convoy of CRPF near Palampur, the 2016 attacks, if you all remember. So after the attacks, all the intelligence organization and all the military forces were activated, and Operation Flush Out was carried out. So in this Operation Flush Out, they had a target to eliminate all the terrorists from the Jammu Kashmir area. And because of those soldiers, the Article 370, the government got the confidence to abrogate the Article 370. So Captain Tushar Mahajan was one such part of a operation. So the terrorists had occupied entrepreneurship building in the Kashmir area, near the Pampore area, which is just around 10-15 kilometers from Srinagar. Okay, it was 7-storied building. Okay, similar to our college only. It was 7-storied. It was government building, high security. Yet the terrorists will manage to take everyone hostage. Okay, now imagine the situation. All the students are hostage. It's a building. The surrounding areas are full of dense cover. So Captain Tushar Mahajan was given the lead. He initiated the action. So first his plan was to evacuate all the hostages. So he and his team, they evacuated around hundreds of people who were in the building before carrying out the operations. Okay. So after the operation was carried out, they started finding for terrorists, and they swapped the floors one by one. The ground floor, the first floor, the second floor. Okay. And the terrorists were hiding on the 4th floor. And they had the element of surprise. The terrorists had the element of surprise. So the terrorists started firing, and one of the Havaldars of his team, Lance Naik Ram Singh, got hurt and got injured. So the first priority, he could have saved himself. He could have told his juniors to move forward and carry out the operation, but he still chose to stay in the operation, and he evacuated his junior to the nearest hospital. He single-handedly killed all the 4 terrorists, but in the process, he got shot 4 bullets to his chest, and he died a brave hero. So this is one such small story of many of the sacrifices made by a soldier But you know why I chose specifically this story? I will tell you in the next few sentences. What is date today?
24th January.
24th. Day after tomorrow, what is the date? Okay. What is there on 26th of January? Okay. So this operation was carried out in February, and around this date, Captain Tushar Mahajan had attended his home. It was his brother's wedding, so he was preparing everything. And before leaving for his duty, Captain Tushar Mahajan had put up a WhatsApp status on 27th of January. And the WhatsApp status was that कि भूल जाएंगे सब लोग तिरंगे को लिपट कर अपनी यादों से. It means that we civilians only remember India and soldiers and everything related to patriotism on 2 days, 15 August and 26 August, 26 Jan, and no one can deny it. Okay? So I just urge everyone to focus on India. I'm not telling you to join the armed forces, but even in the technical, even in the engineering background, try to serve India as opposed to some other countries. Okay, because we are the sons of this soil, the daughters of this soil, and let's make India better, and let's not उनकी कुर्बानी को ऐसे ही जाया ना की जाए. और thanks, and here I conclude my story. Jai Hind.